Good day, everybody. Welcome to the 17th of January, 2025. We're going to get into your daily real estate inventory and updates for Santa Clarita, California. All the cities we're going to cover Castaic through Valencia. So we're going to give you all the data on all those cities. We're going to give you some tips as well as to what to watch out for if you happen to be a buyer. And also you sellers out there, competition seems to be heating up. I'll give you those numbers as well. And then finally, how to best protect yourself as we move through 2025 when it comes to your real estate. So currently in the last 7 days in Santa Clarita Valley, we have 17 coming soon listings. These are listings getting ready to come onto the market. Sellers, that's your tip. There's going to be more competition as we get deeper into 2025. So your property needs to be ready to go out of the chute, and make sure your agent is doing some good marketing and advertising on it, not just relying on the syndication websites to be able to pitch that listing. It's important to put your house in front of the right people and not just relying on the syndication sites as well. People go there specifically to look for real estate, but they also go on local websites like Santa Clarita openhouses.com. I'm talking about paid for ads within the Facebook realm, and that's important, and those are very valuable for you as home sellers. So talk to them about that. We do that for all of our clients. All right, we have 56 new listings that have hit the market in this past 7 days. 44 properties have had their prices changed. 23 properties have gone back on market, fallen out of escrow. Active under contract properties 19, pending 38. Closed transactions 187 in the past 7 days. We have 12 expired, 11 canceled, 7 have been put on hold, and 4 withdrawn. Now, 448 total active listings. Yesterday was 4 less than that. 211 properties currently in the escrow process. And again, that's something to keep paying attention to as we get through the rest of the year. We're going to see those numbers start to increase. And then, of course, as we get into the holiday season, like we saw back at the end of 2024, it's going to start to slow down again. Well, barring anything very exciting happen on the economic front. Right now, mortgage rates for you buyers out there, they did relax just a little bit. It's anybody's guess as to where they're going to go. It seems like the 10-year bond, which is the economic value that they're based on, that doesn't seem to be moving much. We do have a very strong economy, and it looks like that's going to continue to improve. So I don't see much of a change in interest rates, at least in the next couple of quarters, first and second quarter, as we get into the summer. But things can definitely change. Keep your eye out. One of the things we always tell our buyers, enjoy and marry the house. Don't marry the rate. If that rate does come down a substantial amount, then you can refi as long as you're kind of new into your loan. Depends on how long you're paying, what that's going to cost. We would always tell our clients to work out the numbers, and we explain how to do that to make sure that you're not losing money by doing a refinance versus just staying with that interest rate. Because trust me, those rates come down even an itsy bitsy bit, you're going to have people calling you, ringing your phone off the hook. It is what it is. The sales world is scary that way. All right, we do see more cash buyers coming out. Also, people that have sold their houses back in the day hoping that the market was going to relax again, and it's not. We still have those property increases out there. We're going to see as 2025 continues, we're going to see that those property prices are probably going to get more with higher buyer competition rates as well. I'm Connor with Honor. Please check out Santa Clarita openhouses.com. My book is there front and center. You can get it on Amazon, How to Buy and Sell Real Estate. It is the 2025 edition, and it is Santa Clarita Valley specific. I'm Connor with Honor. We will see you in the next one. Talk to you soon.